educational yoga, meditation, and interview trainings, and some photo editing, video editing training and all, which will be helpful for the students to teach in this class. Means if they are following the online mode, it will be helpful for them if they know the photo editing, video editing and all. That also we are providing to them. And some puppetry training also we are giving, puppetry training which will help them to teach easily. We are focusing with the ladies, that we are getting the motherly approach, and also that's why our Montessori teachers training students will be ladies. This course only for ladies. It's a 1 year duration and 2 hours class we are providing. Sometimes they will be brilliant in study, but after marriage they will sit in the home to take care of their kids and all. And after KG or first standard or primary, they will sit in the means the mother thinking, oh, I have to study something, so I spoiled my life. Something like that thinking will be that time. This is the best option for them. So the teaching field, this is the best option for them to come out. Means they can show their skills and talents in the field. With these small kids, if they are performing, they can show their skills, talents, and their motherly things, and they can earn money also. And after this course, they can join in CBSE, ICSE schools, international schools, Montessori schools, and they can start school also with this certificate.